Welcome back, students. I'm going to go over unit lesson 1, and I'm on the home page right now. So there are 3 ways you can access the unit lessons. So you can go to syllabus right here and access the unit lesson. If I just click on what's highlighted in blue, here's the course syllabus, but here you can click on this. It tells you the due dates here. Let me go back to, since I'm already here, I can also access the unit lesson by clicking on modules. So if I click on modules, it'll go to all the unit lessons. Or I can go back to the home page and unit lesson links are here. So there's 3 ways you can do that. You can access the lesson links, okay? So let me go ahead and click on unit lesson 1, the communication process. And this is unit lesson 1. Welcome to unit lesson 1, the communication process. I'm going to go ahead and I will have the screen recording posted here. And so I'll have screen recordings for each unit. I also include the learning outcomes for each unit, what you're going to be learning, and a narrative of each chapter. So this unit consists of chapters 1 through 7. I have a checklist for you here. It says read assigned chapters 1 through 7 in the text and review student notes that I have provided for you. I also have PowerPoints too. And this is the to-do list. Check your course organizer for all assignment due dates, and the course organizer is on the home page, and I went over that document with you earlier. It says complete your orientation quiz, complete discussion board activity, complete unit 1 exam, and complete the pre-RCA survey. So these are the 4 assignments for unit lesson 1. And remember, on the navigation menu on the left-hand side, this is the link to the ebook, which is the course material, and it will take you to the ebook. So let's go ahead and click on next. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the view to student view. The only difference you'll see is the color changes right here, and then there's fewer links. So here you have student notes for unit 1, which is chapters 1 through 7, and then the PowerPoints for chapters 1 through 7. And then I also have a video here on YouTube, how to upload your speech video on YouTube. I have this same video on unit lesson 2, because on unit lesson 2, that's where you're going to begin the informative speech assignment. If you do not have a YouTube account, please create a personal YouTube account, because that is the delivery that we use in this course to record, to upload your speech video to YouTube, and then you will copy and paste the URL link to the Canvas. And I have screen recordings on how to do that. So make sure that you watch those screen recordings so that you know how to submit assignments. So let's go ahead and click on next. So this is the first assignment here. This is a survey. It's 24 questions. Please make sure that you read the instructions and then follow the steps below. When you click on Start Assignment, go ahead. Okay, when we clicked on Start Assignment, you will see the link to the survey, and these are the questions. So after you complete the survey, there's 24 questions on this survey. And then after you complete the survey, then there's 4 questions that you will respond to. So let's go ahead. If I click on the survey link, this is what pops up. Okay? And answer those 24 questions, and then submit to see your score. You'll have a score for group, meeting, public speaking, overall, and interpersonal. And so once you have those scores, you can write it down on a piece of paper, because what you're going to do is you're going to go back here and scroll down, and you see this text box. You're going to answer these questions and type in your response in this text box in a complete sentence. So the first question is, what were your scores for group, meeting, interpersonal, public, and overall? You've taken already the survey. You saw your scores, and you're going to type in your response here in a complete sentence. My score for group was 12. For interpersonal was 13. So again, you type your individual scores, group, meeting, interpersonal, public, and overall. Then you will include your response to question number 2, understanding that the lower the score, the lower your perceived apprehension. Do you agree or disagree with the results? Please provide examples to help explain why. So you will go down here and type in your response to question number 2. Please make sure that you answer the questions in detail. One sentence response will not get you the maximum points, and this assignment is worth, I believe, 25 points. Again, please make sure that you answer the questions. Question 4 has 2 parts to it, so make sure that you answer each part. Once you have completed your responses, then you would click on Submit Assignment, and then you would go on to the next. This is your first discussion board. It's discussion board 1, Introduction. As we begin this course, let's introduce ourselves to each other. In a global economy, a good professional network is essential for our careers. So go ahead and answer each of these. Give us your name and college degree that you wish to attain. You might want to include some of your hobbies, so the interests, things that you like to do. Tell us where you work and what your dream job would be. Tell us what you hope to achieve by taking this course. And you have been given your choice of a brand new laptop computer. Which brand will you choose? So what you're going to do here is you're going to go ahead and click on Reply, and a text box pops up, and you're going to post your initial post right here in this text box. And your initial post should be at least 150 words and contain your opinion on the issues presented. And then you respond to 2 of your classmates, and each response is 75 words. If a post does not meet the minimum word count, then it will not be graded. So make sure you follow instructions. Make sure that you give me more than just I agree or disagree. If you're going to quote someone else's work in some of the discussion board, please make sure that you give credit to that individual or that book or whichever source you're using. Give credit and cite the source. Some of the questions on the discussion boards, you might not have to, as far as cite a source, and it's your own opinion. That's fine. But if you found something that is related to that discussion board and you want to use it and it's not your work, you must cite it. And as you're typing here, it does record the word count. So your initial post, remember, 150 words. And your classmate response, I'm just typing this, is 75 words. Okay, so make sure, and I'll give you the instructions up above. So make sure you follow the instructions. Again, initial post 150 words, and response to 2 of your classmates, each response 75 words. Please be respectful. Even if you disagree with a post, always maintain that professionalism, respecting your classmates. If any offensive material is posted, I will remove it and you will receive a grade of 0 for the assignment. All right, so once you have typed in your initial post, then you'll go back and check later on to see what your classmates are posting, and then you choose which 2 classmates you want to respond to. And just remember to click on post reply once you've completed your initial posts. So let's go on to next. And then you have a Unit 1 exam. I give you 2 attempts and I record the highest grade. So let's go back to the home page. And just remember to be checking your course organizer for assignment due dates. Do not procrastinate. Keep up with your work. Make sure that you view your screen recordings. And that's it for Unit Lesson 1. Remember to take your orientation quiz and you'll find it right here. All right. Thank you.